Welcome to another Health News video news release brought to you by Health News. In today's news, we look at the top 5 therapeutic benefits of chiropractic adjustments. Finding a good chiropractor is important for anyone who desires to take a proactive approach to protecting their health. Here are the top 5 therapeutic benefits of chiropractic adjustments, supported by evidence from medical research studies, systematic reviews, and case studies. Sciatica. The European Spine Journal published findings from a clinical trial showing chiropractic adjustments resulted in a 72% success rate in treating sciatica-related symptoms compared to a 20% success rate from treatment with physical therapy and a 50% success rate from corticosteroid injections. Low back pain and neck pain. A study published in the Journal of Manipulative and Physiological Therapeutics found patients with chronic low back pain treated by chiropractors showed greater improvement and satisfaction 1 month following treatment compared to patients treated by family physicians. Headaches, tension, and migraine. Over 230 peer-reviewed referenced chiropractic's ability to help cure, prevent, and ease the burden of headaches and migraines in people around the world. Colic, acid reflux, and ear infections in children. A 2011 systematic review published in the journal Explore found that chiropractic adjustments helped greatly reduce colic symptoms. Neurological conditions. Current research being conducted via upright MRI scans is supporting how upper cervical adjustments affect various brain-based conditions. One of the greatest benefits of chiropractic care is that it is a drug-free path to healing the body naturally. And remember, you and your family can be as healthy as can be, and it's never too soon to start receiving chiropractic care. Visit your chiropractor regularly and make sure your nervous system is functioning 100%. Also, if you're watching this video on Facebook, please love our page, comment, and share. If you're watching this video on our YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you're watching this video on our website and have not already done so, please add your name and email address to the form on this page. And that's it for today's health news.